Alright guys, it is Rob from Higgins Hill Farm. Aftermath of the blizzard of 2026. It's pretty drifty, pretty snowy. Some spots on the driveway you got like 2 feet, like right here. Oh yeah, drifted up pretty good. And right here, see, there's nothing. It's just the way the wind blows. So I'm gonna go out and open up the driveway. All right.
I've stared down thunder with a crooked grin. Ain't afraid of losing, ain't afraid to sin. Every scar I carry's a badge I wear, proof that I've been tested and I'm still right here. I'm built for the storm.